liner, it doesn't matter if it's the black or the clear, you're gonna shake it up really well, or dab it on the back of my hand so that the product comes through. And you're gonna dab it on the end right here, right where your eyelashes start, and right where they end on the other end. See, it's kind of white right there, okay? We're gonna wait a couple seconds, let that dry. You're gonna do 2 coats of that. But you're gonna take your lash band, and remember where you put those little dots, you're gonna stick this lash to those little spots where the dots are. To press it into the eyeliner. Go over here, press it in back. Now we can click those little magnets on. They're in here, you just let it stick to your tweezers. Grab it and make sure those little facing up. Just like the eyelash hairs, they wanna be matching. Like this. And then you're just gonna go underneath the lash and it's gonna click in and go all the way down the eye. Right there. Bam! And we only had to use one hand. Game changer, game changer. If you've never been able to put lashes on, you should definitely be able to put these on if you do that technique. It's so easy.